I just want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you who entered my giveaway. Over 100 people entered. So I'm extremely grateful, guys. I'm extremely grateful that you entered the competition. Right now I have about 700 subscribers on my channel, so I am eternally grateful to each and every one of you who subscribe. And I am seeing a lot of new people commenting on my videos, so I am very, very grateful for that. I wish that I could give each and every one of you something, but I ain't rich yet. But you know what I'm gonna do is, as soon as I'm monetized, I'm gonna be doing a lot more giveaways, because I see that it's like a win-win situation for me, where I can gain subscribers and also persons who are watching my channel I can give back. So this is definitely something that I will do again as soon as I get monetized on YouTube. So guys, continue to support me, you know, continue watching my videos so that I can get my watch time up, I can get more subscribers, and I can do another giveaway. So anyways, enough of me talking. I know that you guys came here to find out if you have won, so let me just get right into it. I ran into a little bit of trouble a while ago because the site that I originally wanted to use, because this post is actually an IGTV post, a video, I can't use this to choose the winner. So I found another site that I can use to help me to randomly choose the winners. Okay, so I'm gonna just zoom in so that you guys can see what's going on my screen. Literally had to watch a YouTube video to learn how to use this thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just copy all the comments here. So all the people who entered, I'm gonna just copy the comments. Oh, I need to load. Let me load all the comments first. Load. I have over 140 comments. I'm just loading everything first. No. Load comments. Load. 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 This is gonna take a while. Oh, it's finished. All right, so let me just copy everything. Come on, hurry. All right, I don't need this in it. This is just my info with what you need to do to enter. All right, so here, so I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste it right in here. Paste everything. Okay, all right, so now I am going to pick a random name. So this will be the 3rd place winner. What's going on here? Okay. All right, so this person is the 3rd place winner. What I'm gonna do is just make a note of it, because I have to check to ensure that she has followed all the steps. All right guys, so I'm gonna pick the 2nd place winner right now. So just gonna select this again. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay, Deta Queen Bay Dania. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, but you're the 2nd place winner. Congrats. Now to select the 1st place winner. All right, let's see who it is. Rishad Khalil 09. All right, let me write this down. So 1st place. All right guys, so there you have it, my 3 winners for my very first giveaway. Guys, do not be discouraged. I'm gonna be having a lot more giveaways because I appreciate the support. I appreciate the fact that you guys are supporting my channel, watching my videos. So definitely I am going to be having a lot more giveaways. Okay, so stay tuned, subscribe, tell your friends, watch my videos, watch my entire videos, watch my playlist, guys. Support me. Thank you so much. Okay, and I'm gonna be DMing these people right now. I'm gonna put a screenshot of the DM that I send them. They have 1 week to respond. If they don't respond within a week, then I'm gonna pick someone else. Okay, and you guys can follow me. Well, you guys should be following me on Instagram. So if it's a case where these persons haven't responded to my message, then I will post it on my story. So I won't be doing another YouTube video on this. Okay, so if anything, I have created a highlight called giveaway on my page, so you guys can check that out to get updates on stuff like that as relates to this giveaway. But for now, that's it. I chose 3 winners, and for persons who did not win, just stay tuned. I'm gonna have a lot more giveaways, so don't be discouraged. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.